How you doing? I'm Jeff Seaton, and welcome to Jeff Seaton Lawn Care. With decades of experience in the lawn care industry, I'm here to help you with your lawn care needs. This video today is all about the recall on the Ryobi 40V 21-inch lawnmowers. In case you're not aware, there is a recall on some of these mowers, approximately 217,000 in the US and 28,000 in Canada. The issue comes from a push-on connector inside the power head of these mowers. The connector can overheat and cause a fire. So here's what you need to know. There are only certain model numbers included in this recall. Not every 21-inch 40-volt mower are included. But if you do have one of these, I would recommend stopping immediately and making sure that your model is not included in this recall. In addition to the model number, the recall affects only a specific serial number range. Here's the poster on the recall. As I said, there are 217,000 recalled units in the US and 28,000 in Canada. If you have one of these mowers, the 21-inch 40-volt mowers, it's important that you stop using it right away. Find the model and serial number of the mower. And then you'll need to contact TTI Outdoor Power Equipment. They're the company who manufacture Ryobi mowers. They'll let you know if your model is in fact included in the recall, and if it is, they'll send you an email that will give you detailed instructions on how to disable that mower, and then they'll send you a free one. That's right, they'll send you a mower 100% free to replace your current mower. Do not disable your mower until you've got confirmation from TTI Ryobi that your mower is in fact included on the recall. If you've been watching my videos in the past, you already know that I do use the Ryobi 21-inch 40-volt mowers. What I did is I took my serial number, I took my model number, and I called Ryobi without even checking to see if I was included in that recall or not. I had them check the model and check the serial number to confirm. They did send me an email saying that both of my mowers were included on the recall. From there, they gave me instructions on how to disable the mower. I was to send them pictures back by email. They would then ship me new mowers to replace the two that I had. Personally, I like a little more of a human touch. I decided I was going to try to pack up my mowers and take them into my local Home Depot to see if they could do it for me. So it's about a 15-minute drive from my house to my local Home Depot. And with limited space in the back of my truck, I decided I was going to do this in 2 trips. The first mower I decided to take with me was going to be my 21-inch crosscut mower. I didn't have my receipt with me. Actually, I couldn't find my receipt, but I did have my confirmation email from TTI Ryobi saying that the mower was part of the recall. They took care of me on the spot, and I was walking out the door 15 minutes later with a brand new mower. I got the all-wheel drive multi-blade 21-inch 40-volt mower, which actually is an upgrade from the crosscut that I brought in. Now on the second trip, I took my 21-inch self-propelled mower, it's the 40-volt, and again, I had confirmation email from Ryobi that it was included in the recall. The staff was equally as friendly this time and helpful. However, the process didn't go as smooth as the first time. The problem was that this particular mower, because of its age, was no longer in the Home Depot system. Because of this, they suggested the best way for me to move forward to be to reach out to Ryobi directly and have them send me the replacement. When I called Ryobi, they told me that the replacement mowers are currently on back order due to the number of recalls being processed at that time. It would take somewhere between 6 to 8 weeks to get a new one. Of course, that number of weeks will be reduced as more mowers become available through the manufacturing process. With that long a wait, I decided I'm just going to try bring it back to Home Depot and see if they can do anything for me there. I talked to the department manager in the seasonal area. He got me connected to the general manager of the store. The general manager of the store was super understanding. He worked some magic and boom, I'm walking out with a brand new mower again. I can't say enough about how professional and how helpful these managers were and the staff in this store were towards me and my issue. So here's a look at what I got. I got the Whisper Series 21-inch 40-volt self-propelled multi-blade all-wheel drive unit here, and I got the 21-inch 40-volt brushless self-propelled mower here. In both instances, they are more powerful than what I had, and the run times on them are longer as well. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button and bell notifications. I'll be doing an unboxing video for each of these mowers. There'll be 2 separate videos, so you can really have a look at what comes with these mowers. I'll also do a 3rd video where I do a comparison of the 2 and then see them head to head in action. I appreciate the time you've taken to watch this video. I'm Jeff Seaton, and this has been Jeff Seaton Lawn Care.